Claiming tax relief on work expenses directly with the HMRC is easy and free. This means you'll get all the money you're due. If you fill in self-assessment tax returns, you claim tax relief on your work expenses through the return for that tax year. Flat rate expenses allow you to claim tax relief on a fixed amount each tax year. The amount depends on the industry you work in and your job. The flat rate covers the cost of cleaning your uniform or replacing and repairing your small tools, such as scissors if you're a hairdresser, trowels if you're a plasterer, and spanners if you're a mechanic. A uniform is a set of specialized clothing that identifies you as having a certain job. For example, a nurse or police officer. You cannot claim for everyday clothing, even if you must wear a certain design or color, or you only wear it for work. However, nurses and midwives can also claim for shoes, socks, and underwear. If your employer provides a laundering service and you choose not to use it, you cannot claim tax relief. So, many employees can claim flat rate expenses. There's a list of industries, jobs, and the fixed amount on which tax relief can be claimed on gov.uk. Just search flat rate expenses and choose this link. Scroll down the page to find the list. If you're eligible to claim a flat rate expense, you can claim tax relief on the agreed fixed amount. HMRC does not require evidence, such as receipts, for flat rate expenses. If you've spent more than the agreed fixed amount, you can claim the exact amount spent. You claim these as other expenses instead. You'll need to provide evidence to support your claim. For example, copies of receipts or other evidence that shows what you bought and how much you paid. You won't get the full amount back that you claim. Instead, you get tax relief on the amount at the rate you pay tax. So if you pay tax at 20% and claim £60, you'll get £12 tax relief for the year. That's 20% of £60. You can claim for this tax year and the previous 4 years. You must have paid income tax in each year you're claiming for. For current year claims, we'll usually adjust your tax code to give you the tax relief in your wage. For earlier years, we'll either give you a tax refund or adjust your tax code in the year you claim. You can find out how to claim in our video, How Do I Claim Work-Related Expenses? You can find out more about work expenses on gov.uk and in our other videos on YouTube.